Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queen Dashay. I just wanted to come in and do a different kind of intro, try to start something new. I really am just gonna come in and clean up my living room and do my guinea pig's cage, and yeah, that's pretty much all that I'm doing, and I'm just gonna show you the before and after. Thanks. Alright, so this is pretty much my living room right now. After Christmas and everything like that, do not mind my tree. It is ghetto. But this is just all of the toys and everything my kids just have pushed around and just put out. It looks a mess, so I gotta clean that up. And my guinea pig, his cage is absolutely disgusting too. Hay everywhere, it's just ridiculous, so that needs cleaned as well. Not sure if I'm gonna do dishes or not. I'm pretty sure I asked my husband to do that, so that's probably what he's gonna do. If my husband does dishes, I will get a sneak peek of that, because very rare. Very rare. Okay, let's get into it.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If it down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble, cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's.
So actually I do have a part 2. After this, I end up going upstairs and doing some laundry and sewing my daughter's nightgown because she just ripped it. So stay tuned for that too. There's a part 2 coming.
I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away. I put game on layaway. I got paid to play today. I get paid to stay away. I get paid on rainy days. I might make it rain today. I got paid off pain today. Thought it'd take the pain away. In my own lane, finger roll. I would never sell my only soul. Heard your whole team was for sale. Heard it's on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Ooh, now you're looking hungry, ribs are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's I got wifey on bling and she freeze. Photo, please, no photos. G's.
So his cage looks a little bit difficult to take apart and clean out, and that's because it is. My husband built this because we wanted a bigger cage, so it's a dog cage kind of combined with his cage, and so far it seems like he likes it, so we're just gonna keep it.
No, please, no photos.
Give me love, give me all your love. 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.
So I found one of my son's toys inside the guinea pig's cage. I don't know why they decide to throw toys in there for him, but they do. So
I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. time. Just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Yes, I know how to window. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Giving her compliments, I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Get it right, I still love you.
Hey guys, so we reached the end of this video. Please stay tuned for part 2. I hope you guys got a ton of cleaning motivation out of it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and be ready for the next video. Thanks.